Hi there, let me show you how to enable or disable NFC contactless payments on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So it is quite simple, just open settings first and go in connections tab. Here you need to enable NFC and contactless payments by clicking on this switcher. Now it is enabled. And let's click it. And now we can choose the type of contactless payments by clicking right here. So if you click on others, you can enable or disable some options of payments. And you can also click here to pay with currently open app, or you can disable this feature. Now, if you don't want to use the NFC and contactless payments, you can simply click on this switcher to turn it off. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.